I am not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl's sister.
I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl's brother.
I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl's mom.
I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl's uncle.
I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl's cousin.
I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl aunt.
I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl's cousin.
I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl's aunt.
I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl's cousin.
I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl's cousin.
We're not the birthday girl. We're the birthday girl's cousin.
I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl auntie.
I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl's cousin.
I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl uncle.
This is the birthday girl.
Oh my gosh.
My Little Pony. Ah, you're hiding it. Is it a Sweet 6 then? I think you're right. Put the one back up. Sweet 16. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Like a juvenile.
Like seeing crowns is like old, like
Yeah.
1,000 crowns. Like, where do you even find these?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Seraya. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Now you have to make a wish and blow out the candles.
To meet the My Little Pony.
Amen. Oh, that's like really.
3, 2, 1. It's hard. Ooh. Gifts.
Here you go. First, I got this candle that my friend handmade for me.
Wow.
Beautiful.
I
love it so much. Japanese cherry blossom. This is my favorite perfume. And finally,
Cute little dino.
he's 3D printed. I love him.
Okay, that's cool. Cute. And wait.
Next,
Ah.
lotion. This smells really nice. I love it.
Smells divine, does
I
it?
like the smell, yeah.
Uh-huh.
And there's a soap for it.
Saraya, I see you tapping. You don't have any fingernail to do these sounds.
Stop! That's mean. And finally, I have a loofah in here. Look at
Wonderful. Do the fingernail tap? Let me see again.
And the final bag, which I actually haven't even seen inside yet, so.
From Mama?
From Mom, yeah.
So who was the middle bag from? I don't know.
The middle bag was from Auntie Trudy.
Ooh, wonderful.
What is this? What is this? How do I open this? Don't need to know what it is. All I know is it's My Little Pony.
This girl is 6, not 16. Let me tell you.
Yo, is it a blanket? I do. I love this.
Wonderful. I'm glad you like it, dear. To keep you warm in the cold Canadian winter. Your child might even get it eventually.
Actually, he's going to the grave with me, I fear.
Oh boy. So it's all done. All the gifts have been unpacked. And so, how was your birthday? Did you like it?
Yes, I loved my birthday.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I want to thank Auntie Trudy, Auntie Munchie, Auntie Verna, birthday wishes. I want to thank Alexis. I want to thank you. I want to thank Auntie Fenella, my grandmother, and my father. I want to thank everybody that got me things, said nice things to me, wished me happy birthday. My cousins, Uncle Tyrone, everybody. Uncle Amar, everybody.
And Ramaya came and drove you too.
Yeah, Ramaya came and stayed for the party.
Yeah. And what about all these gifts? Who you say you got this one from your friend? Who is that?
My friend Alexis gave me these. I really like them.
And Auntie Trudy.
My auntie gave me these. My mom got me this blanket. And my auntie also got me the loofah.
And all the cha-chings that happening from morning.
Okay, my money I got from Auntie Fenella, Auntie Laverne. Thank you so much thank you so much.
Okay, that cha-ching happen. Okay. All right. No problem. Congratulations, my darling. We thank God you have lived to see this wonderful age. And I really am thanking God myself that He helped me to get you here. God bless you, my darling.